If you are looking for an awesome professional barber, clipper, and trimmer set, you're absolutely going to love these. This is exactly what they all look like right here. So you have a smaller razor right here and a bigger one right over here. It comes with all these pieces right there. I'm going to run you through in a second. And you also get this great instruction manual. Really, really nice. These bases charge up. So you can see here at the back here, you just plug it in there. And then once you pop this off, you'll see right here, that's how you do it, and then you can put that right in here. When we turn this on here, it's going to show us how much power we have, so it's 100%. It's going to give you a runtime as well, which is super really nice. You also get these nice guards right here, so you don't have to worry about that. You could always just put them on right after, and then once you put it in there, it can get to charging, which is really, really nice. And this is the back right here, so it's going to show you everything you get, all the different millimeter ones you get, and the clippers. You get the cleaning brush, the blade oil, charging cables. Just really, really great set. So if you're looking for a great professional clipper set, definitely check this one out. And a big thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.